Hi everybody, Brian here. I just did another stream. My apologies. I was hoping to, I kind of forgot to show you this rank file. Again, this is from the Quant Analytics Service. I'm not going to spend too much time here. If you're interested in it, just come into quantlabs.net/trading. This entire service I'm showing you, you can get a monthly subscription. And if you're interested, it's pretty cool. I just showed you the CFDs for the markets, for oil, gold, some of the indices, the star performance today. So today in this video, you have the ability, every hour this is updated. This what I'm about to show you. Let's see if I can show you it. Eventually it'll make its way to me. Come on. It doesn't matter. I'll go into the downloads. So in here in the CFD, I showed some Word documents, but one I'm about to show you I forgot to add is this one called a CFD rank. All the data comes from Oanda, and it shows you long-term what the trends have been. So these are all the CFDs. I don't recommend you to buy or sell these on Oanda, but it's very good to show you poor man's view of the data, of what's being bought and sold in the world of Oanda for CFDs. And you have how many instruments here? So you have 32. So in here we have our actual instrument, whatever currency, if it's in US, Euro, and so on. We have here if there's a Fibonacci for the golden entry potential in the golden zone, buy sell signal. Is a head and shoulder, not too trend differentiation is important to watch. Volume is important so that we know what's being being traded. Momentum, standard deviation for volatility, that's statistical. Slope and trend are similar but different on top of some additional p-value, standard error, closing price. All right, so what I typically do is I do sorts on this little spreadsheet. And a couple things that I look for based on this is, as I said, there's 32 instruments in here. So let's see some of the star performance. So if I sort on data based on, let's see here, we're going to do trend or slope right here. So if I go largest to smallest based upon strongest trend in here, long term again, we have decent performance here on the China, Australia markets, as well as the gold, platinum, EUSD, I can't remember what, that's the euro, I guess. US 30-year bond, treasury, and then the bund. So usually when I do trading, I like to focus usually no more on the top three. So these are your star performers right now in a long-term trend. Again, China 50, the China market, Australia 200, as well as gold. Now, of course, if that's all you're trading on is long term, that's a decent place to put your cash in. But we don't stop there. Oh no, absolutely not. So I'm gonna do an analysis based upon slope. That's typical slope of the line. So again, we're going to sort. So we're doing a sort on slope. So now, slope, let's see here, order A to Z, so you want Z to A for the largest to smallest. Sort numbers, okay, I don't know. Let's take the default. I just started using the Excel again lately. So here, let me just confirm this. So our slope, oddly enough, let me just check this to confirm it. So it looks like our strong slope, not trend, but slope is these top three right here. Hong Kong 33, Japan and India. Interesting. Those valid, I don't know. So usually another place that people ask me is about volatility. Volatility, we could use standard deviation. And usually everyone wants their least volume. That can also depend upon, obviously, on your risk profile. So closer to retirement or retirement, you obviously want to have a lower risk profile because, well, hey, you can't really afford to play dangerously with your cash. So let's see, we want, in our case, the reverse. We want A to Z for least volatile. So let's see what happens. So here, okay, it looks like it's gold is the least volatile. So you're doing okay there. So that's definitely somewhere you want to trade. But at the same time, you also have the 2-year, 5-year treasury, as well as some interesting no performance is sugar and soybean in US dollar. So you can clearly see that the markets, US markets, are not the star performers in the last few months. Other things, if you're ever interested, is volume, because that can also drive up price. And if you follow another file I can provide is the long and shorts order book of Oanda. I can do that too. So you could tell what are being shorted more and what's going to be longed more. So in our case, we're going to sort again on volume from largest to smallest. So oddly enough, I don't know if this is because of the number of clients maybe Oanda has, but it looks like our big trades or instruments that were traded the most was India 50, Germany 30, NASDAQ, and then WTI and BCO. So that's WTI oil and BCO as the most traded lately in the long term. So although I forgot to put this out there, those are analysis of this spreadsheet. Again, that is automatically generated every hour while the markets are open from Sunday night around 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because these servers in Oanda, I believe, are hosted in Hong Kong, or sorry, Singapore, as well as there is activity all the way up until late Friday evening, sometimes, depending on what's going on in the markets, especially on the Oanda side. And that can, again, be Eastern Standard Time. So again, if you're interested in all this, go to quantlabs.net trading. You can see all the fun stuff, read about it, and what I've just shown you the last 2 videos. Hopefully you've caught them on YouTube, the podcast, Facebook, or whatever. The research I just shown you. I may show you the live signaling, which I'm still needing to optimize for Forex and crypto, as well as MetaTrader 4 with the new EA that's just been developed that I'm currently testing since last night. And I'm going to check out the performance on that. So essentially what you're getting is like you're getting kind of all-in-one scenario where you get, if you want to just focus on Forex, I can build out signaling as well as provide the EA, the expert advisor, if you decide to go with Oanda, or sorry, with MetaTrader. It can be traded, this EA can be installed in any MetaTrader environment, not depending on if your broker supports it, which most brokers do. But the cool thing is you want to keep your data synchronized with your broker for the orders. So I would strongly recommend Oanda. Not my favorite broker, but here we are. We're sitting talking about it for Oanda for the U.S. market. So if you just saw that, that's one of the signals coming in on my email -USD. So this is an example of we just got a signal as an entry for Dash. And I might do some crypto if there's enough demand. If there's enough demand for the signaling on a CFD, I'll do it. I won't recommend it because you can get stuck in bad trades with CFDs. That's why they're pretty well banned in the U.S. But they're there for those outside of the U.S. To do it. But I don't know. But you can still definitely do it in the options and the futures market. Again, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, just always comment on the videos on either YouTube or Facebook. And you can always email me as well, and I'll get back to you as best as I can. Thanks for watching, and you have yourself a really good day. And again, one thing I better mention again, to prevent you or to make sure you're part of this, this price every day right now is at 67 per month for the analytics trading stuff. Again, quantlabs.net/trading to this page I'm just showing you. Right now, it's very low price. It's $67 per month. And it will be targeted to an end target of about $1,500 annually per month. So if you get it now, you will get the lowest price. All right, thanks again, talking all that good stuff, and have yourself a good day. Ta-ta for now. Where do I turn myself off? I'll eventually find out. Thank you for the likes as well. I appreciate it. And we shall talk to you later somewhere. All right. Have a good day. Oh, no, there I am. Yay. Thanks again for the likes. We can't. Oh, here we are. Okay. Okay, I got it. I need a second monitor for this thing. Okay, there we go. Bye.